Leslie.
And Lexi.
Here at Light Elegance headquarters in Redmond, Oregon.
And we've got some good smelling stuff.
I love good smelling stuff.
Me too.
Well, we've already told you about our Q&Lu Spa line, which is amazing, and you're all just ordering and having so much fun with it. We've had great comments about it, but now we have a kit for you.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
It's our Q&Lu Spa Essential Kit.
So this kit comes with all 4 of the products in this cute little box.
Look at this. It can be this way.
Or this way. It's magic.
The box is just as versatile as the product inside.
Should we open it?
Yes, we should. It's our all-natural. I do want to really reiterate that to everybody. This is an all-natural
and it
line.
has pink bubble wrap.
Oh, does that make you
know that?
happy?
I didn't know.
See, she hasn't been out in the warehouse packing anything.
Oh, I better get out there.
But we want to make sure everything arrives safely, right?
Yes.
You know, because some of these have to ship a long ways. All right, what's in it, Lexi?
Okay.
I'm excited to see.
I know. It's like Mary Poppins where they keep their
Or I was going to say it's like Christmas.
Oh, so we got some spa oil here. Oh, and it's got the pink pumper attached.
Yep.
We have the bamboo lotion that everybody loves.
It is the greatest lotion. It is not
Perfect
greasy.
massage
Oh,
lotion.
it is so.
This is my personal favorite product, the polish, which has little bits of bamboo that exfoliates your skin.
I have this in my shower.
Oh, so do
You guys are going to be doing pedicures and manicures with this, but every client needs to go home with this for their shower.
Yes.
The exfoliation and
No, I'm at the last.
energizing.
I'm squeezing the last bit out, and I'm panicking that I need more.
I know where she can get some.
They charge me.
They charge me. Is your birthday coming up? Maybe I can get you some. But no, this stuff is really.
And of course, the wonderful salt soak
Yes.
for the bath or your pedicure tub. Everybody loves. And let me show you the things that come in here free. If you get
it's
the
a special
kit.
gift, yes. Kind of some tools to help you out with your pedicures and your manicures.
Ching! So we have 2 finish files. One is 100 and 180 grit.
Yeah. And these finish files, I mean, are perfect for the toe. Whoa, look how thin that is.
Yep. You can get right under the toenails without cutting.
Fingers also. So these are a finish file, and you can prep with them. Perfect.
And then 2 foamies.
Foamies.
Which everybody loves.
Everybody loves the foamies. Great for the toes and the fingers. Gives that
Doesn't hurt.
nice. Oh, not at all. Not at all.
And you get
Ooh,
this
what else?
cute little window cling.
Yes.
That's double-sided, so you can put it in your salon window, or you can put it in your distributor
Or you
window.
can decorate your house with it. That's what Lexi
Just
did.
Q&Lu decor everywhere. You can borrow my kids if you want some moving decor.
Moving decor, right, that doesn't sleep. Anyway, we are so proud of our Q&Lu Spa line. It's just, it's all natural. Some of the ingredients in it, I have to get my
You want me to
glasses
go through?
see. Yeah, maybe you should. Okay, we have the bamboo, the vitamin E, basil, shea butter, mint, lavender, and tea tree. That is what is in all of this, and it's all natural, like I said before. It smells beautiful. It's for men and women, and it will really make a difference. It softens those cuticles, and it takes off all the calluses on the feet and the hands, and it's like a little miracle in a box.
It is. It's going to make your skin look and feel so good.
So anyway, you now have it in a spa package.
Woohoo!
So you can pick that up today,
Available
you guys.
now, so
and let us
contact
know
us.
what you think, and soak in the bathtub in it. Not just your feet, but put it in the bathtub. Jim does it every night. He loves it.
He does.
Absolutely loves it.
When the chemist is doing it, you know it's good product.
Well, it's true. So anyway, thank you.
Thank
and
you,
happy
guys.
spa time.
Bye.
Bye.